The Art Garage in Eldridge, Iowa, just located outside of Parkview, is a wonderful place to stop and see several artists in one location. Enjoy the sights.
The next stop on our tour of the Mississippi River Valley Art Drive was Rhonda Lamar James, a gourd artist located outside of Eldridge on Black Hawk Trails. Enjoy the wonderful sights that gourds can make. One of two stops we made in Bettendorf, Iowa was Casey Barnes, a wonderful painter. Her famous things are large paintings. Enjoy Casey Barnes. The next location was at Judy's Barber Styling just off of Spruce Hills in Bettendorf, Iowa, where 9 artists took over the barber shop. Enjoy the sights and sounds.
I know. We have too much fun.
There it is. See the nice view. Doesn't stop.
Yeah, they
But
turn it on.
Diane can she started.
I don't know where I'm going to keys it. That's the only thing. I haven't yet. So turn it on. You really have to have a flat wall.
Headed upriver on the river banks of Comanche in the middle of the Temmer, we found the studio of Diane Vollrath and her friend Copper. What an interesting place. Enjoy. We hope you'll be able to enjoy the art drive with us this fall, November 7th and 8th. Check out www.mrvad.com for more details. We'll see you soon.